welcome back to the MLS Denim / Miss Lacy Studios YouTube channel. I'm trying to actually give you 2 videos in 1 month, which for me is a record. But today I'm going to be creating some Aztec prints on a pair of jeans. And of course, I'm going to be using my chalk. And the only things that you're going to need in order to create these designs are Clorox bleach pens, and if you have a bottle of bleach and some paintbrushes. Of course, you're going to need a ruler, and I am going to use some bags to put underneath the jeans when I start putting the bleach on, because I don't want the designs to transfer to the other side, because the other side is probably going to be similar, but it's not going to be exact. So don't want the bleeding to transfer on the other side. So I actually did a little bit of research and I did some sketches. You probably can't see it here. I will, of course, put in a photo so you can see a close-up of what I've done. I kind of have a general mock-up of what I want it to look like, but of course, with a lot of my creations, things tend to change as I go along. So I am going to, of course, do the time lapse, and I'll probably stop in between to kind of talk about maybe a couple of designs that I'm doing or some techniques. But other than that, just kind of follow along, and I'm going to show you a thing that I'm going to do to the bottom of the jeans as well. I apologize for the noise in the background. That is one of my dogs. They are playing with a bottle. So they're having a really, really good time right now. So I want to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I allowed the front of the jeans to dry overnight, and so as you can see, the bleach kind of went on there unevenly, but I think that actually is going to be a really cool effect for how it's going to look once I, you know, wash the bleach pen and stuff off. So I'm looking forward to that. So I'm now gonna go ahead and get started on the back. The back is gonna have pretty much the same types of designs, but they are gonna be spaced and laid out differently. But you'll definitely probably see these lines, definitely these thicker lines as well on the back. But so I have a little bit of fun on the back too. I'll probably let the back dry probably through the rest of the day, because it is the morning time that I'm filming this, and I apologize because my dogs are fighting in the background. But yeah, I'll just let it dry for the rest of the day because I finished this last night, so I think it'll probably be about the same time for each side to dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the blank canvas. Okay everyone, so as you can see, I am pretty much done with the entire design on the back of the jeans. What I'm gonna do now is go in here, here, and down here as well as the stripe that I did on the side. I'm gonna go in and start painting that, and then once all of that dries, then I'll see what I'm gonna put in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the time lapse, but that's kind of where I am right now. Okay, so as you can see, with all of the designs now complete, I'm so happy with what I've done. Now with the scissors, I am going to cut the bottom hem of the jeans, and I'm actually going to use that bottom hem to use as ties around the ankle part of my jeans. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is the front of the jeans. I'm just kind of giving you a brief overview of how it looks. Please be mindful, this is how it looks before I put it in the washer machine. When I take it out, it's definitely going to look different, but so far I'm so happy with it. All right, and here is the back. As you can see, I'm very happy with it too. I did add some splatter techniques in there towards the end. Those came out very well. I'm just loving how all the designs and stuff look. So I'm definitely going to show y'all a photo of how it looks when I try them on with the ties and everything. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, thanks so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, or subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.